Good morning children. I am Sureka. Today we are going to learn a story that is about a boy called Arjun. Children, do you have any hobby? Yes, we all have our own hobbies. Some like drawing and some likes dancing, some like playing. Everybody has their own hobby. Yes? And Arjun also had a hobby of drawing, and he is very intelligent boy who always loves to go to school. Let us see what is going on in the story. Arjun loves going to school. He is a quite an intelligent boy. He loves to read story books. He is very fond of reading. He is very fond of reading stories from the Panchatantra. He is in class 2. He is sitting in his chair in the class. His teacher enters this class. All students stand and wish the teacher. She responds and asks the students to take their seats. Arjun's notebook is spick and span. His work is also very neat. He always stands first in the class. He dresses up neatly. All the teachers were very fond of him because of his clean habits. Apart from being good in studies, Arjun is also good at drawing. He had won many prizes in drawing competition. Suddenly the bell rings for lunch break and the students ran out to have their snacks. Arjun's friend finished their lunch and play for a while. After lunch break, the students are back in their classrooms. After some time, the bell rings again and it's time to go home. The students line up to board the bus. Arjun reaches home. He takes off his bag and sits on the sofa. His mother asks him how the day was. Arjun replies, as usual, Mom, you know I love school. His mother replies, that's like a good boy. See children, we had known many things about Arjun. He is very good in reading and also he is class first and intelligent boy. Intelligent means brilliant. He is very good and also brilliant and his habits are very good and neat. He always very fond of reading Panchatantra stories. Isn't it children? You also love to read stories or else to see the stories in TVs or else in YouTubes also. Yes? He came to class and he sat in his chair. When the teacher comes, he stands first and wishes her. We all wish our teacher. When our teacher comes, we will wish her by saying good morning or good afternoon. Yes? Arjun also does the same. And he responds to the teacher very good. His work will be very neat. And all the teachers were very impressed and they are very fond of him. And apart from the studies, he is very good in drawing also. And also he won many prizes in the competitions. And suddenly the bell rings and it is the lunch break. Yes children, after going to school, after 3 or 4 periods, we will have an interval. Then after, we will have a lunch break and then evening bell, which we can know that we have to go home. Yes? So in the same way, they had their lunch break and had their snacks. Even you will do the same. Yes? And after that they finished their lunch and played for a while. Again they sat for classes and again the bell rings and it is the time to go home. Okay, we have to stand in a line. Instead of pushing each other, we have to stand in a line so that everybody will go very nicely without falling down and safely. Everybody will go safely without falling down. Yes. So everybody stood in a line to board the bus and Arjun also doing the same. And he went to home and takes off his bag and sat in sofa and he is talking with a mother and mother asked, how was your? As usually Arjun went home and he sat on his sofa and his mother is asking how was the day. Then Arjun is telling that it is as usual and he is also telling that You know, mom, that I love to go to school. Children, you all love to come to school or else you will cry? Yes, I think you all love to come to school because you can enjoy with your friends, you can learn many things and you can learn very good habits also. So mother replies, that's like a good boy. As he told that he loved going to school, mother is also appreciating him that it is a good habit. Thank you. Let us see the following grammar and also the question and answers. Let us answer the following. What kind of notebook does Arjun have? Shabby, rough, spick and span? Answer is spick and span. Second one, Arjun loves to read stories from which of these? Panchatantra, Tom and Jerry, Ramayana. Panchatantra. Third one, apart from studies, Arjun is good at doing what? Flying kites, drawing, dancing. Drawing. Why does Arjun always stand first in the class? He is an intelligent boy. He flies kites all day. He plays all the time. Answer is he is an intelligent boy. Question and answers. What kind of boy is Arjun? He is an intelligent boy. What does he likes to do? He likes to read stories and also drawing. How is Arjun's notebook? Arjun's notebook is very neat. Why are teachers fond of Arjun? Teachers were fond of Arjun because of his clean habits and also he is good in studies. Thank you.